Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to increase Discord mic volume. Today I'll be showing you how to increase your Discord mic volume. So right now, to increase your Discord mic volume, just go to your user settings and go to voice and video. And once you're here, as you can see, there's two options: input and output. So input device is your mic and output device is your headset or speaker. So right now, to increase your mic volume, you just need to drag your input volume right here. And there you go. Very easy. That's how you increase your mic volume in Discord. But if it's still low, there's another way to increase your mic volume, but it will increase overall volume of everything. It includes messengers, calls, and everything. But it will help you increase your Discord volume. So right now, just go here to speakers, right click on it, then click on sound. So when you're in the sound, right here, click on recording. Then here at microphone, you can see open the properties, then listen. This is where you can listen to your voice and then level. So this is the level of my mic volume right now. And right now, my mic volume is at 100%. So I don't need to change anything. So my mic is very loud right now. So there you go. So that's how you increase your Discord mic volume. Hope you guys learned something and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.